Are you looking for a smarter way to install glass, and are you tired of back pains like glazier? Aardwolf over here. Is the weight of multi-layer glass just too much? Are you constantly under time pressure? And would you like to reduce the risk of injuries and lower sick leave? Then use the Powered Counterbalance Crane from Smart Lifts for faster and safer installation. The Powered Counterbalance Crane with Lateral Movement has an adjustable boom to allow for maximum adjustment and versatility to lift a variety of loads. They allow you to carry, transport, and fit safely and easily glass plates in production areas and warehouses, in difficult places, and also on a construction site. The Powered Counterbalance Crane devices minimize the risk to operators and other personnel during the manual glass transport. They protect the workers from accidents, spine injury, and sprains. The boom is raised via a 12V battery-powered hydraulic pump. The boom also telescopes out for greater reach. The counterbalance design eliminates the need for front legs. This makes the unit easier to maneuver and allows the crane to reach tight, hard-to-reach areas. Fitted with hard-wearing, high-capacity nylon front wheels, this device can pick and carry loads and be pushed on a flat surface to transport materials on solid paved surfaces. Using the Powered Counterbalance Crane for installing glass will make your work faster and safer. Minimize the risk of injuries from heavy lifting and damaging the glass during installation. By using the Powered Counterbalance Crane, instead of traditional methods, you will increase efficiency and streamline workflow.